You're recording.
It's no big deal. Come on.
Oh!
The whole thing. That's good.
It's like eat it.
Yeah, keep going, boy.
Oh my god!
Is it good? It tastes good?
Yeah, we're not eating it.
Oh, you're not eating that.
Just the crabs.
Just the crab, I guess. There goes the whole thing.
Oh my god, it's got eggs. Fuck, I fucked up, guys.
That's escargot, yeah?
I'm gonna take the picture. Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah, it's wild boar.
It's a wild boar salad. Alright, put it out of his misery, dude. Just put it out of his misery, please. It's gone. Insane. And I can't swallow it though.
Yeah, no, he said he was going to eat it, and I said, okay, now everybody gets their camera.
Caviar. Would you like some? That's the caviar. You want some?
Gabrielle. That's good. What?
Caviar.
Oh yeah, that tastes good actually.
I think that's about as fresh as you can get, Gabrielle. Take that back to France with you.
Poor guy.
Okay, you're still good. Oh, you're going
Cassidy, you're
I'm going for
hardcore.
the meat now.
to mine backwards.
Sushi.
And how she